Hi boss, welcome to Theoson. This is Emma. I'll show you how an aerosol factory works. Here is our administrative office building. Behind me is our R&D center. We have 7 labs here. Here is our lab. We are making a new products development here and doing testing. You can see our lab colleagues are busy. Our R&D team can also customize formula for you here. Electronic devices are not allowed for the production area. So we have no phones inside. We can put away the phone here. We deliver high quality products for you with our well-organized production lines. When you need aerosol products, choose Theoson as your reliable partner.